The following is a demonstration of Reed Manufacturing's quick-release tubing cutter. Quick-release tubing cutters cover capacities up to 10 inches in diameter. With a simple cutter wheel change, any model can cut a variety of pipe from copper, aluminum, and steel to numerous plastic pipe materials. Features include quick release, quick advance, and manual advance. To operate, simply place the cutter around the section of the pipe or tubing to be cut. Turn the manual advance knob clockwise about 1/4 turn so the wheel penetrates the pipe or tubing. Rock the cutter back and forth a couple of inches. Make one full rotation forward to ensure tracking. Then reverse rotation, turning the knob about 1/4 turn every revolution and complete the cut. Reed's tubing cutters are the best tracking, easiest cutting tubing cutters available. The ball detent wheel pin makes cutter wheel change easy. To change the cutter wheel, remove the wheel pin, and the cutter wheel will slide out. Install a new cutter wheel and push the wheel pin back into place. In this video, the TC2Q and the TC3Q models were shown. Reed offers many sizes. The smaller models feature a built-in reamer. As a bonus feature, the TC1Q, TC2Q, and TC1.6Q cutters have a spare cutter wheel stored in the end of the knob. This concludes the demonstration of Reed's quick-release tubing cutter. For more information about this tool or other quality Reed products, visit our website at www.reedmfgco.com.